welcome to All in a Game. I'm Nupur.
Hi, I'm Swara.
Hi, I'm Prananya.
Okay, so we have Swara and Prananya today, and today's quiz is about who am I? No, I'm not asking you guys who am I, but their quiz is about who am I. It's basically riddles. Okay, so I'll be giving you guys I'll be giving you guys clues, and at the end, it is going to be the question is either going to be a who am I or what am I. So
Okay.
you need to give me the answers. All right,
Okay.
got it? Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So basically riddles of who am I, what am I. Okay. Think, listen, be fast, and let's see who answers faster. Okay.
Okay.
Like
All
the
the
regular
best.
quiz.
All the
Okay.
best.
Let's see. They're saying all the best to each other. Who's gonna be the best? We will know. All right. Okay. So shall we start, guys? Are you ready?
Yes.
All right. Okay. Let's go. So the first one is hard yellow kernels turn fluffy and white. Find me at the movies or
Popcorn.
yes, it is a popcorn. Okay, so got the hang of it, Prananya?
Yes. Yeah.
Got it? Got an idea?
Yeah.
Right, so you guys got a hang of it, right? So this is how the questions are going to be.
Yeah.
And you need to kind of guess who is or what is the answer. Okay? So, who am I? I am a building full of special rooms with many people called doctors. People visit
Hospital.
Exactly. Hospital it is. All right. So I'll let me complete it. I'm a building full of special rooms with many people called doctors. People visit me when they are sick and leave once they get better. Hospital it is. All right. Next one. This is slightly tricky, but if you think you'll be able to answer. All right.
Okay.
4 legs up, 4 legs down, soft in the middle, hard all around. What am I? 4 legs up, 4 legs down. Okay? Soft in the middle and hard all around. What am I? It's a thing. Okay?
Thing.
Oyster.
No. Why do you say oyster? Oyster is round, isn't it?
It's
And
an
when
oval.
kind of an oval. So, I'm talking about.
Chair. A type of chair.
Okay, you are closer. It's
Table.
It's a kind of a furniture. Table has 4 legs down. Doesn't have 4 legs up, and it's not soft in the middle.
Sofa.
You're kind of close.
Bed?
Bed it is. Yes.
But how does that feel
Okay,
like?
so let me tell you. So there are 4 legs down.
Yeah.
Okay. So the 4 legs go up. So if you have a cot, sometimes like soft in the middle is the
Yeah.
bed. Okay, your mattress. Okay, and hard all around is all 4 sides are going to be
Yeah.
hard. Some beds have legs slightly that
Oh,
go
yeah,
up beyond the mattress.
yeah.
So,
Okay.
I said 4 legs up, 4 legs down,
Okay.
soft in the middle.
That's why I was
Hard
thinking
all
soft in the
around.
middle must be a sofa or a...
fully covered.
Yeah,
I
so
thought-
that's why it's called a riddle, right? It'll confuse you,
Yeah.
but yes, it is closer to the answer. So, bed it is. All right, yes. Let's go to the next one, guys.
Yeah.
Okay. Yellow and juicy, sweet as can be. I'm a summer fruit.
Mango.
Correct.
I thought of banana.
I'm a summer fruit on a tree. Peel me open, take a bite. I'll make your taste buds feel just right. The season fruit, mango it is. Yes, everybody's favorite mangoes. All right, let's go to the next one. Ready, guys? I'm white when I'm dirty and black when I'm clean.
White.
White when I'm dirty, black when I'm clean. Come on, think. This is something you look at every day because you guys go to school.
Eraser.
All.
Kinda
Actually
close.
good. That is actually good.
But it's not white when it's dirty,
Oh
no?
yeah.
This is white when it's dirty,
Chalk
black.
piece.
Chalkboard. That board. What's that?
Okay, I'll give it to you. Yeah. She said both, so I'll give it
Okay.
to her because you said chalk. Blackboard, it is to be precise. So blackboard is something where the teacher
Yeah.
writes on. So when it is clean, it is black.
Oh yeah.
When you write
Okay.
with
It
a
is
chalk
white,
on
yeah.
it becomes white. So
Okay.
white when it's dirty, black when it's clean. A blackboard,
Ah.
it is. Okay. I'm giving it to you because you were close. Okay. Although she said blackboard, but you said board first.
No,
okay.
I forgot about that. What is that? I was like what? like that. Like I didn't.
Yeah, it
didn't
meant
get the
the
word.
board in school,
Yeah,
right?
you didn't
Yeah,
get the
okay.
word.
Yeah, the
Yeah.
word didn't come. She just said the board, so
Like,
I'll give it to her. All right, okay. Next one. Ready, girls? Okay. I am tall, large, and triangular. I am made of hardened rock and soil.
Pyramid?
No. The air is coolest at my peak.
Mountain.
Correct. To climb me, you have to toil. A mountain it is.
Toil.
Toil is you have to, give a
You
lot
use,
of energy and strength you have to use and go. Yes, that is why. That's what toil means. Okay, so it kind of rhymes with soil, so
Okay.
it becomes a this thing. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So mountain it is. Got it. Come on, Prananya. I know you know the answers. Bring it on faster. Come on, let's do it. Ready? Okay, next one. I am the largest mammal living in the ocean's deep.
Whale.
Okay, the answer is correct. Let
Blue
me complete the question. Yes. I am the largest mammal living
What is
in the ocean's deep. As big as 2 double-decker buses, I am now considered an endangered species. So, it is a blue whale, a whale. Yes, that is the answer. Okay, good one, Prananya. Come on, keep it going. Let's see.
Okay.
Let's have a tough fight between you girls. Come on. Okay, ready. Next one. I have lots of money, but
ATM.
I have lots of money, but I need someone else to carry me around to spend it. What am I?
Wallet.
Okay. Both of you almost came together. She said purse, you said wallet. I have both as my answer because they mean the same purse or a wallet. Yes, it is a purse or a wallet. Not bad. You guys are thinking well, huh? Okay, let's go to the next one. Ready, girls?
Yes.
Okay. I'm red and juicy.
Watermelon.
I'm red and juicy, tangy and weird.
Strawberry.
Tangy and sweet. Huh?
Strawberry.
No. Wait, no, let me complete. I'm red and juicy, tangy and sweet. I'm a fruit, but used as a veggie. Children.
Tomato.
Correct. Now you guys got it. Children love me as a sauce. It's great with burgers. They agree. Tomato, it is. Yes, a tomato sauce. That's how it is. So we came from watermelon to strawberry to tomato. Okay.
I was
All
going to
the
say
yes.
raspberry, then cherry.
Yes,
Yeah.
because all of them
I
are
thought
red
of
and
cherry.
juicy.
I thought
Yeah.
of cherry.
Yeah, that is why I told
I
you
thought of
listen to
cherry.
the complete question. You will get to know what the answer is. Okay.
Personal
This one you guys will get faster, I guess. Let's go. I make the grass grow and the flowers bloom. With
Seeds.
Sun.
She got
Sunlight,
it.
sunlight.
Okay, sunlight. Because I was going to complete it. So I make the grass grow and the flowers bloom. With warmth and light, I chase away gloom. Sun is the answer. Correct. Okay. Nice. Good one. Sunlight. It's more of sun. We're talking about who am I. So sun it is. Okay. Next one. Ready, girls? I am always around you, but often forgotten. I am generally pure and clean.
Water.
And-
Air. Oh.
Yes, it is. I am so it was I am always around you but often forgotten. I am
am I
generally
blabbering?
pure and clean and you cannot see me.
Ah.
Who am I? So air it is. Okay.
What
You
am
said
I-
water, no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What am I
How did it
blabbering?
come to
What
water?
am I blabbering?
Okay, listen to this one carefully, girls. Okay, let's see who gets this. Two tubes with lenses at the end, joined by a bridge. Look through it to see.
Tunnel. Telescope.
Look through it to see far off things, but don't fall off the edge.
Binoculars.
See, you are like actually giving her the answer. You're telling she's like, it is a binocular.
I'm
You are
not
right.
good at English like
Yes,
that.
it's
I'm
okay.
like-
Yeah, so but you
Telescope.
kind of knew it. Yeah,
I
telescope
thought-
is what she told
She's like
already.
bio. I'm like,
Yeah.
oh, okay,
So it is two tubes, lenses at the
Ah.
end, joined by a bridge. Binoculars.
Okay,
it is. Okay.
I
Not
don't
bad.
get the word.
Yeah, it doesn't come. But it's okay. Sometimes it's like here you know the answer.
Even
it
I
doesn't
couldn't
come.
get it until you said bio.
Yeah,
I
you
didn't
said
get it.
bird and then she got it binoculars. Not bad. That's fine. Okay. Binoculars it is. Are you guys following us? Are you able to guess it as faster as they are guessing it? Let us know in the comments, guys. Alright, okay. Next one. I begin with T, end with a T, and have tea in me. What am I?
T.
I begin with T, end with T, and have T in me. What am I? You're kind of closer, Prananya, is all I can tell you. Think.
Letter.
Think closer. No. So it's a word, starts with T, ends with T,
What?
and has T. in
The
it.
beverage tea.
You're saying TEAT, no? No. But you're closer to the answer. It's somewhere closer to what you're
Coffee?
saying. Come on, think.
Coffee
Starts with
doesn't-
T, ends with T. Come on, girls. I thought you'll be like that. And I'm telling her answer is closer. You're closer to what?
Tea.
Starts with T, ends
Chai.
with T, and has T in it. Hey, starts with T, ends with T. Eppadi chai?
Glass.
No.
Glass has tea.
It's not tumbler. It's not tumblet. Okay, starts with T, ends with T. Come on. Think. Okay, I'll give you a clue. Shall I?
Yes.
Shall I? Okay. One clue, and I'll give you 5 seconds to answer. If you don't answer, we'll leave it to the viewers to answer it. Okay? Okay. Like I said, she's closer to it. So, the answer for this particular riddle, it holds tea in it. What is it?
Kettle.
Tea.
Tumble.
Table. No.
Okay, both of them have not got it. I have given such a big clue.
Cup.
Starts with T, ends with T. You guys leave the answer in the comments if you know starts with T, ends with T, and has T in it. Let's see how many viewers can crack this riddle. All right,
What's the
next
answer?
one. I'll let you know after this. Okay, let the viewers answer this one. Okay, next. All right, next.
Next one.
When you throw me, I return. I am made of wood, shaped like a V.
Boomerang.
Good. Kids like to play with me. It is a boomerang. Yes.
Never
Okay.
tried.
Good one. Now, this one is again a very interesting, tricky, easy question.
Ayayyo.
Okay.
Easy.
Okay. If Mr. Blue lives in the blue house,
Okay.
Mrs. Yellow lives in the yellow house, and Mr. Orange lives in the orange house, then who lives in the white house?
White.
The president.
Which president?
That
Mm,
president of America. Donald Trump.
Okay. Yes.
Donald
Trump.
No, so it is the US president, but it is not Mr. White. And because she said the president first, my answer was the president. I was just giving GK extra knowledge, checking if Swara knows which president it was. It is the American US president, Mr. Donald Trump. That is what it is. Not bad. I thought you guys will say, I know the white came first after the yellow, blue, and the orange, but then yes. Okay. So the US president lives in the White House. All right. We've arrived at the bonus question, girls. Okay, 2 points for this one. I don't know who's leading. Okay, I don't know who's got the more higher points, but this is a chance to redeem yourself. Think around this one. Little tricky because it's a bonus question, carries 2 points.
Yeah.
But I'm sure you can give the answer. Okay, and I'm sure you guys can also give the answer. All right, let's go. Always in you, sometimes on you. If I surround you, I can kill you. What am I?
Poison.
Do you have poison inside you always?
Blood.
Is it? No. If by blood surrounds you.
Carbon
how-
dioxide.
Okay. Wait. Again, think.
Nitrogen.
Wait. No. You have nitrogen inside you. Wait. No. Always in you. Sometimes on you. Okay.
Heat.
If I surround you, I can kill you. Okay. Now
Water.
when you said
Water.
water, it is. I was going to give the clue because she said blood. I was going to say it is a kind of a liquid. So there is water inside our body. A body is 70% plus water. Okay. Sometimes on you when you take a bath, you get wet. So it is on you, right? Okay.
Around
if
you
I
is a sea.
surround you, I will kill you.
Drown.
So exactly, you will drown in the water. Swara, good one, not bad. I knew this required a little thinking. So there was blood, there was nitrogen, hydrogen, and whatnot. All sorts of answers that the girls get.
No, but nitrogen still is in some people.
Yeah, okay, it's there, but it's not on you, no? So that's why I
Oh,
said
it's in air.
Air.
it's in the air around you, but it is not on you, no? What can be on you? Water can be on you.
No, what if air blows?
It doesn't
That is-
stay on you, no? It just goes past you.
Yeah, so even
Water stays on you, no? Your hair is wet, water is on you, no?
It will go.
It'll go off, but that time it is on you, no? That's how it is, okay? Okay. very difficult to argue with girls, especially these kids. Okay, right. Okay. Now, before I announce the winner for today's quiz, here's the viewer's question for you for Who Am I? Are you guys ready? Here it is. Don't answer if you know it. Okay?
We'll say after
It
the
is
quiz.
for them to answer. Okay? I am a seed, green in color, with 3 letters in my name. Take away the last 2 letters, and I still sound the same. Who or what am I? Okay? You guys are thinking? Don't say it. I know. Okay? So let me repeat it for you guys. I am a seed, green in color, with 3 letters in my name. Take away the last 2 letters, and I still sound the same.
Okay.
All right. So leave your answers in the comments. You might be a random lucky winner for a gift from All in a Game. All right. So it's now time to announce today's winner. And the winner for today's quiz is Swara. Okay, so these guys are really smart, were able to answer most of my questions except one, which you guys have to answer. So, if you guys enjoyed today's quiz, subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon, and stay updated on all our latest quiz videos. Alright, you can also play along in our quizzes by the time and see how fast you get the answers right, and leave your scores in the comments, and let's see if you have scored higher than any of these participants. All right. Until the next time, we'll see you soon.
Bye.
Bye.